Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Bluetooth device on Motorola Moto G52. Let's go! Okay guys, so the Bluetooth device we will be using are gonna be AirPods 4. So what we are gonna do is swipe down here, hold Bluetooth button and pair new device. So to Motorola be able to see my AirPods, is what you need to do is open it and click here 2 times. So the circle becomes white, and now we wait. We can go back and pair new device again, and it should be able to see it. Oh, you can hear AirPods find my, yes, pair, and as you can see they are paired. You can see the green ball, you can see here the green cycle, so it means they are paired. What I can also show you something on YouTube, so you can see. For example, let's turn on some music. Oh yes, music. So you can hear, oh, there's an ad, which is not nice. As you can see, as you can hear, the Bluetooth device has been connected. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.